In this video, I'm doing some zone cleaning in my kitchen, so if you're interested to find out more, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello friends, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me. And if this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. I show you how to make decorating and home organization a bit easier on a budget. Now, if you're interested in this kind of thing, I would love for you to subscribe and become part of the family. And to my creative family, I want to thank you for your continuing support. Now let's get into this video. Now in today's video, I am participating in an open invitation collaboration. And this collaboration is entitled Moonlight Clean with Me Winter Edition 2021. And it is hosted by a wonderful YouTube sister, Denise of This and That with Denise Jordan. Now if you're not familiar with her channel, I will have a link to her channel along with the playlist down below in the description. Now what I decided to do was do a zone clean in my kitchen. Now what I'm cleaning is the area where I always keep my tray for my vignettes for the collaborations. So just keep watching and I will show you the products that I'll be using in this video. And I have a link down below to Grove Collaborative if you're interested in purchasing anything that I am using. I like zone cleaning because zone cleaning lets you get an area and get to details with it. So with the double clean, first with the multi-purpose cleaner and then the granite cleaner, make sure I get the grease and get it shining and get it conditioned. If you're interested in those products, I have a link down below for Grove Collaborative where you can look at all of their products. They have wonderful natural products. And coming from someone that's allergic to everything, these are really great for me. If you have any questions about anything that I've did today, let me know down below. I will be sure to answer your questions at my earliest convenience. I love to read your comments. If you want to keep watching more, check out these videos I have listed here in the end screen. And you be blessed.